Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to back up Google Chrome bookmarks. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Open Chrome browser. Click on three dots on the right top of the window. Select Bookmarks option. Then, click on Bookmark Manager. Then, a new tab will open, and your bookmarks are shown. Click on the three dots, which is on right top of the Bookmarks window, and select Export Bookmarks. Then, Save As dialog will open, and select the location to save the file, and then, click on Save. And to import the bookmarks, click on Import Bookmarks, then a dialog box will open, select the file, and click Open. That's it, the bookmarks are imported. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.